Alright guys, we just finished building this gazebo here, and some advice. Please make sure when you are assembling all of these bolts, obviously using a power drill will be easier, but also you want to ensure that you do not fully tighten anything, so that way you have wiggle room when installing to ensure that everything is square. Some cool things about this gazebo, check this out. This privacy shade that I have out is on a separate track from the screen. So you can pull the privacy screen back and you can pull out just the mesh shading to block out the bugs. It's awesome. And it slides in nicely. You can see over here we have it all wrapped up. So if you are in the market for a really nice sized gazebo, check this one out. It also has hooks up top here, so you can hang an outdoor chandelier or an outdoor fan. The top vents also have mesh in there as well to keep the bugs out. So this is a really nice gazebo if you're looking for one. And of course it has that nice aluminum roof so you can sit outside and listen to the rain. Hope you find this useful.